What's up, guys? Got a couple factory additions to show you back here. Here's the Rockstar. Here's the new KTM 450 SXF. Of course, we've got the frame changes for this year. And the big thing you'll notice looking at it is the radiator shroud. People used to joke about how pointed, the last radiator shrouds are, and these are even more pointed. Check this out. You turn this wheel, it actually, people used to joke about them almost hitting the front fender, and this one literally almost hits the front fender. So this is the same generation, obviously. A couple tweaks to the frame, different shroud. But for them to change the radiator shroud in the middle of a generation, there must have been some reason to do that. Looks like they put a little support there. I haven't read, I don't know what the reason is, but there's gotta be something. Also, I want to show you the new connectivity unit. It goes right here behind the fork. It connects to the GPS. Showed you the gas, and it didn't have the GPS on it. Well, here it is. Sits right here in the fender. You can buy all three of these together in a kit on AOMC.MX, or you can get just the connectivity unit. It's available right now. I believe the GPS and the fender are still on back order, or still not available until sometime in April for the KTMs. But these are going to work together and let you do some things with data and metrics that you've never really been able to do before on a bike in a factory form and fitment. So very cool. I'm gonna play with this a little bit. I'll show you guys the app and keep you updated. But man, I say this every year. I don't know how they can make it look any better, but every time I see a new one, I just love it.